Everyone, I'm Tisha Relia Hande. Welcome back to Upwards. Today we're going to talk about how you can find out what exactly is your competition's digital strategy. Now, the first tool that I absolutely love using is called Facebook Ads Library. This is a free tool by Facebook. So all you need to do is log on to this website and select the region India and type in whatever brand that you want to understand their Facebook strategy. What kind of ads are they running on Facebook? What this tool allows you to do is really see all the ads that they're running. You're able to see which platforms are they running these ads on. You can also see what are videos, what are images, what are the different carousels, what are the different formats. You can click on shop now, book now, or whatever their call to action is and see what are the different landing pages that they are using. Another interesting feature is that you can add a lot of filters. So you can filter by platform, for example, only ads on Instagram. Now, the reason that I find this tool very interesting is two reasons. One is, of course, it helps you understand what kind of creatives is your competition using, but also you can put in the names of brands that you admire, maybe even from a different domain, and actually get some creative inspiration, right? So what kind of GIFs are they using? What kind of images are they using? And a lot of these are dark posts, right? So you will not really see them on their Instagram feed or their Facebook feed. So this is the only place that you can actually see their ads and see the ads that they've been running over a period of time and get some inspiration for your brand. The next thing is to understand who is your competition targeting, right? Who is their target audience? Now, I'm very sure if you're in an industry, you are searching for keywords related to those industry on Google, you might be going to different websites, and so I'm sure you often see your competition's ads on your Facebook feed or your Instagram feed. The next time, right click on the ad and click on why am I seeing this ad. What this shows you actually is the target audience that specific brand is using. Now, there could be many audiences. There could be filters they're using of age, of demographics, of location, maybe certain interests, maybe certain behavior, certain devices. It could also be that you're a part of a lookalike audience, or maybe you've given your lead on their website at some point and that's why they're targeting you. So this will help you understand what is the different kind of targeting that your competition is using. The third element is their tech stack. Now, every website has a certain tech stack, right? They have certain partners and APIs that they work with. For example, for e-commerce, they might have Shopify. For a chat, they might have Yellow Messenger or Messenger AI. There are a lot of these different partners. So to understand the tech stack of your competition, all you need to do is go to Build With and put in the name of the website. What Build With does, it tells you all the tech integrations that a website has. Now, for example, marketing automation, who is their chatbot partner, what kind of analytics are they using, have they integrated to Facebook, Google, everything from a tech perspective will become clear to you. Now, this is great in two ways. One, of course, understanding who is your competition using. The other thing is if there are certain brands who you think are doing a really good job. For example, if you are a direct-to-commerce brand and there's a certain brand who you think, okay, wow, this brand has everything sorted, their tech stack looks great, you can actually see who are they using and then potentially reach out to those same partners. Let's now move to social media. Now, on social media, the one thing that you might want to understand is your competitors' engagement rate. Or for example, if they're using certain influencers, what is their engagement rate? So for this, I use Hype Auditor. You just need to put in the Instagram handle and you will see the engagement rate. Actually, if you have the paid version of Hype Auditor, they also give you a lot more detailed statistics, but even the free version is great just to get a basic understanding of engagement rate. Similarly, when it comes to YouTube, I really love this site called Social Blade. Again, same thing, all you need to do is just put in the handle name. But Social Blade actually gives you a lot of very interesting information. So for example, one of the things I love is they tell you future predictions, right? So if I look at Pradyut and my other YouTube channel, you can see how many followers we'll have in 2 years, in 5 years, in a few months, so that a brand actually knows that, okay, how fast is the other brand going or how fast is an influencer growing. You can also see a lot of detailed statistics. So this is one website that I absolutely vouch by, and it's something that I also personally use to really understand that based on my current follower, subscriber, view growth, what is exactly going to happen in the next few months. Next, I'll talk about two plugins which will help you understand your competition better. The first is very simple. It's Mozbar. Moz, as you know, is the father of domain authority. Domain authority is the likeliness of a specific website to rank when someone searches for a keyword. It is between 0 and 100. The higher your DA, the more likely you are to rank. This is a concept developed by Moz, and they actually have a free plugin. So you just plug that in, and actually even when you search for something on Google, you will see that DA. Every time you go onto the website, you will be able to see the domain authority of that website. So this is the starting point of SEO. And if you want a lot more details, you can also use the Ubersuggest plugin. This is again free. It's by Neil Patel. What this plugin does is it tells you a lot of the backlinks, right? So for example, how many backlinks they have, how have they built that over time. Now when it comes to SEO, and of course we'll do a whole deep dive video into SEO, we know that domain authority, on-site linking, backlinking, you know, on page, off page, all of these are very important aspects. The next is possibly the simplest hack, that you go on Instagram, type in the name of your competition, and you go into tags. So it will show you all the hashtags that that brand is using, and follow those hashtags. So what happens is you will be able to see over here if there are certain influencers the brand is tying up with, they all end up using the official hashtags. The brands also most of the time do end up using them. So you will get a good sense of the kind of content that is being created by the brand, but also by the influencers, by micro influencers, you know, who they're associating with, by consumers. So it will give you a good understanding of what are people saying about your competition's brand on social media. Now similarly, to understand what they're saying on overall the digital space, you can also just sign up to Google Alerts. Google Alerts will alert you every time there is your competition is mentioned in the news or there's something big happening about them. So these were some of my top recommendations and resources when it comes to finding out what is your competition doing on digital media and learning from them, making sure that your brand is staying up to date. If you have any other tools, please do comment below and let us know. We would love to share that with our little growing Upward community here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do comment and let us know if you have absolutely any questions at all. And we will see you next time. Thank you.